Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Paulata Dehabi. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're very much welcome and please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing bubble braids or poodle puffs, and I'll be using fluffy Kinky Xtra and Marley hair to achieve the desired look. I also want to find out which is the best additional hair between the two. I'll start by taking one piece of the fluffy Kinky and unraveling it as shown. Try and make it as fluffy as possible. I made one piece before starting just to check out the length, and it was too short for me, so I opted to use 1.5 pieces of braiding hair as opposed to one, so that I could achieve the desired length and puffs. I fixed the 1.5 pieces together to get one piece of braiding hair, then I divide it into two. I opted to use the fluffy Kinky at the front because I felt that it was a bit thicker than Marley hair, and so I was sure it would give my puffs volume.
My enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night.
Using my latch hook crochet needle, I'll pass one half of the braid through my hair. I'll also take the other half and pass it through my hair. Just make sure that they're on opposite side in order to cover the natural hair well. To tighten the base, I take a smaller piece of the braiding hair and roll it around the base till it's tight enough, then I tie it. Next, I make sure that the natural hair is completely covered by the braiding hair. I form the puff, and using the smaller piece again, I take it around the puff, then tie it to secure it. Note that my thumb also helps with the process as shown in the video. I continue with the same process until I finish up.
Here to stay. Destiny
Pulling the puff outwards helps to add volume, thus they look bigger. Well, someone's already getting too excited. Note that I also used 2 pieces of